Every house has a story. Let me be the one that brings that to life for you. To understand this home story, we're going to need to go way back. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Too far. All right, fast forward, right here. Over the past 2 years, I helped transform this property from the ground up. Let's just say the multiple above-ask offers we received in the first few days lets me know we did something right. It has been a long 2-year journey since acquiring this property for my clients, and not gonna lie, a little sad to see it go. I do take pride in delivering this turnkey property to its new owners, but I am thankful to all the trades, vendors, and especially my clients that truly turned this house into a home. With 20 years of real estate experience, I would love to be your realtor. Let me be the one that sells your story. Message me directly for a custom marketing plan to sell your home. For more real estate and mortgage content, like and subscribe today.